We're here at the state capitol and we're going to go visit a cabinet maker that makes European cabinetry. He uses a phase converter, several of them, to power all of his high-end three-phase equipment.
We got a whole shop full of equipment. We've got CNC equipment, we've got manual machines, air compressors, edge banders, all the things we need to build quality cabinetry. When I got my first phase converter and put it in, I did it by myself. The guys and the manual made it real easy to do. By the time I had ordered it to bring it in, I already knew what I had to do to wire it up. And I was only wiring up for a couple of machines, so I put in a small sub panel. I wired my phase converter right into the sub panel, and then I wired my machines up the way I would wire up to a single phase panel. So it was very simple. Two phase converters here on the floor, a 25 horse, the new ADX, and my first phase converter was the 15 horse, which is the wall mount control. So I have that right up here.
What year did you get that?
This was probably 4 or 5 years ago now.
And that's been working well?
Oh yeah, that works fine. I've done some electrical work, put some outlets in, run some circuits. I've really learned a lot working with the phase converter and doing my shop. This is 7.5 horsepower. Produces air to all our machines. We can't run machines in the wood environment without air. Well, if you're going to get in a business like this and you're going to start out on your own, you're going to have to do some of the work. Doing some simple wiring of machines isn't that big of a challenge. I'm not the guy that's going to build a phase converter. I'm not looking to do that. I'm looking for a good product that's going to give me the three-phase power over the single phase, so I can do what I do best and build some cabinets. So we simply put the position, we drill the hole, and we put the hinge in. So now we have a installed hinge.
Oh, wow!
So
look at that! Just like that.
Just like that. In woodworking, there's so much equipment out there available in three-phase. So, and it's cheaper because it's cheaper to build the motors, to operate the equipment. There's more of it out there. So the phase converter was just an answer to a big question. Okay, now we have our completed edge band slab door. The technical support was wonderful, and I was able to do the installation on my own. Gentech's been real good on customer service. They've been real supportive. I've been there, I've toured the facility. Like I said, I got kind of excited about the three-phase power, and fortunately I'm close by, so a couple-hour drive, and I could pick up my first phase converter. I've been back there a couple of times for other phase converters, so I've gotten to know the guys. I know their faces. It's been great talking to them on the phone, but I'm fortunate enough that I can at least meet them. Everything's available and shipped pretty quickly.
This here is our power converter for our three-phase ATV, and she kicks.
Yeah. Plow snow. My first three-phase purchase was a shaper. So this is a 5-horse shaper. And the money I saved buying a three-phase machine, I was able to buy my first phase converter along with the cost of the machine was the same as buying a single-phase machine. Now to operate the machine on 3-phase obviously is much more economical.